Now, what is multi-streaming? So, streaming is broadcasting online, and you can stream gaming, music, comedy, plays, a whole but independent movies, independent documentaries. Some stations will let you stream your YouTube content. It's a variety of a lot of different things, and it's similar to TV. Okay, in that you differences is online, so it's to an online audience. It's far less expensive than having a TV studio and all that. Many people do it from home. There are a variety of different social media channels that you can stream to, which is why with Restream.io, coupled with OBS Studio or XSplit, you can stream to two channels for free, and 15 or more if you pay for Restream.io as an example. So you can really have your own broadcasting station right from home with online broadcasting. And all you need is a desktop, laptop, good microphone, and a quiet space to do it, maybe even royalty free music or royalty free stock video, and you're ready to go.